Welcome to a quick guide on how to open a video in picture-in-picture mode on WhatsApp Web on PC with the latest update. If you've ever wanted to multitask while watching a video inside chat, this is the trick you've been waiting for. First, open WhatsApp Web in your browser and make sure you're logged in. It's the same familiar interface you use on your phone, but now you'll be handling everything from your computer. Navigate to the chat that contains the video you want to watch. Take a moment to locate that message. The video will be there just like in your mobile app. Once you're in the chat, hover your cursor over the video. This is the key step that reveals the control options. Look to the top left corner of the video thumbnail, where a small picture-in-picture icon appears. If you're using a supported browser and the update has rolled out to your account, this icon will be visible and ready to use. Click the picture-in-picture icon. The video will detach from the chat window and reappear as a compact floating window on your screen. It will stay on top of other apps, letting you continue your tasks while the video plays at a reduced size. You can drag this floating player to any corner of your screen to keep it out of the way, or resize it to your preferred viewing size if your browser supports it. To manage playback, you can use the controls on the PIP window itself. Pause, play, or scrub through the key timeline as needed without returning to the chat. If you want to return the video to its original position, simply click the PIP window to maximize it, or close the window to revert to the chat view. A couple of tips to ensure a smooth experience. Make sure your browser is up to date since PIP relies on the latest features to function smoothly. If the PIP icon isn't showing, refresh the page or try a different browser that supports the feature. It's a small upgrade, but it can make a big difference when you're juggling messages and media at the same time. That's all there is to it. You now have a hands-free way to watch videos from WhatsApp Web while continuing your chat or browsing.